Andreas with Zauberberg Kennels, working with Viola from Zauberberg, 10 weeks old, solid black German Shepherd puppy from our V litter from Zauberberg. Here I'm working in the kitchen as she is a house dog or pet dog. She needs to be in training mode anywhere we are. That's the challenge with the pet dog versus a competition dog where we know exactly what's going to happen next and where it's going to happen. So here I'm working on mainly call when come. I like to train my dogs to come when they hear their name and nothing else. So here I'm tossing food after the free command is given, to teach her that at the same time, into the corner so she doesn't have to search for it. She knows exactly where it is. And I know after she's picking it up, she will come back to get more. So I have the behavior of coming to me, so it's easy for me to label it. Doing some different behaviors in between with a lot of lure at this beginning stage, such as downing and sitting, and you saw me manipulating the dog with the lure into the heel position. But the main objective here is the release command and to condition the name, meaning coming to me. Interesting to see a video that you can analyze how many times I do a recall within that session and how long the session really was. So the argument of people saying, oh, I don't have time to train my dog, it can be very quick and short, but lots of repetitions and effectiveness.
Fight!